Welcome educators. I'm Priya, the co-founder of Space Revision. Space Revision is somewhat like Udemy, जहाँ पे आप कोर्स डिजाइन कर सकते हो और सेल कर सकते हो directly to students. Space Revision is also India's first revision platform, which is based in the world's famous space repetition technique. आपको भी पता है that in just 24 hours, students forget 70% of the information. इसीलिए रिवीजन को प्रायोरिटाइज करके स्पेस रिवीजन बनाया गया है. मैं भी एक एजुकेटर हूँ एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट आपके 3 मेन गोल्स है. फर्स्ट, टू मेक लर्निंग ईजियर फॉर द स्टूडेंट. सेकेंड, टू गिव द बेस्ट लर्निंग फैसिलिटीज फॉर द स्टूडेंट. एंड थर्ड, टू रीच एज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स एज पॉसिबल. सो गोल नंबर 1 आप ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो. For goal number 2 and goal number 3 is where we will exactly help you. Okay, so for your students, the course will be visible like this. If you've created a course in Space Revision, your students can simply log in. आप email ID और password डाल के log in कर सकते हैं and then you can log in. Once you log in, you can choose the course from here. Once I've chosen the course, my courses में visible होगा. I can just go here and then I can start studying. In question bank, they can do the MCQs and the flashcards which are available, and here they can avail the space repetition technique. And if they have any doubt, they can also ask doubt from Spacey AI directly, or directly ask the doubt to educators and the community of students here. They can revise directly here as well, and they can do the flashcards as well, and this will guarantee that they will never forget. Next, if you have added notes, they can read through the notes as well. आप directly PDF भी डाल सकते हो. Next, videos आपको डालना है तो आप videos भी डाल सकते हो. If you've not added any of this feature, then it will not be available. Students can directly go to AI and add the flashcards and the MCQs that they want and save it. And they also have an option of doing subjective answer using answer writing and test series जाके performance भी map कर सकते हो. All this can be added as an educator, and these are the facilities that your students will get. Similarly, this is the educator's profile. You can just simply add all of this. It's very easy to add. So join us educators in creating a new future of learning for students where they're getting all of these facilities to make learning easy and stick. For our first 50 educators, we are running free marketing campaign in Meta Ads. Who's gonna be joining us in making learning easier for the students?